Hey everybody, I'm starting at NYU Law School today. I'm going to be taking a walk down McDougal Street. So we're at the southwest corner of Washington Square Park. And we're just going to go down McDougal, which is just a really popular place for nightlife in New York City. It's home to the Comedy Cellar, which is probably one of the best comedy places you can go see comedy in New York City. It's probably the best comedy club I think I've been to. Has a lot of history. So let's check it out. This is McDougal Street. On the corner, you have Ben's Pizzeria. An old-timey pizza place that was made famous in the FX show Louie with Louis C.K. I believe it's in the opening credits of the show. An old Italian cafe. This is Mamoon's Falafel. And down here is the Comedy Cellar. If you want to be the best comedian in New York, this is where you got to come. Or so I hear. In the corner we have Minetta Tavern, which is supposed to have the best hamburger in New York City, or so I hear. It's usually ranked top 10 of all burgers in the city.
Play with you, and you're like, no.
First, we have artichoke pizza, home of the famous artichoke slice.
From the FDNY.
We have all the different little shops. In the distance, there's Insomnia cookies. I believe they may be open all night. And you get a nice warm, hot chocolate chip cookie. This place is just known for little restaurants. It's always open late. Another comedy club, Greenwich Village Comedy Club. We're going through some New York City construction. That's hot tar bubbling away. They must be doing asphalt work. Percy's $2 pizza. I wonder what they're making. So this is I'm gonna leave you guys here. This is a famous Italian-American club, and it's also a shooting range. It's called Tiro a Segno of New York. It's an interesting building that I don't know if I've never heard anybody really talk about, but in the basement of this building, there's an active gun range, which is unheard of in New York City. But I believe you can shoot guns down here if you belong to the club, or if you know someone who does. But Tiro a Segno, New York Rifle Club. An interesting spot on McDougal. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the walk. McDougal Street, New York City. Have a good one.